Nearly all ADAS-equipped vehicles come with a warning, letting drivers know that they have taken their hands off the wheel for a long period of time. This Kia Telluride is no exception, and we show you how that works in the following video. Let's see how this navigates this turn up here. It does pretty well. Hasn't warned me yet to grab the steering wheel, but it will shortly. Cars on both sides. There we go. Keep hands on wheel, but notice it's still driving pretty well. But I'm going to grab control now.